Halal car loans, how Islamic car financing works. Want to buy a car without taking a conventional interest based loan? For Muslims, there are alternatives designed around Islamic finance principles. In this video, we will explain what halal car financing is, how it works, and what you should check before choosing a financing provider. A conventional car loan typically involves borrowing money and paying it back with interest. Islamic finance takes a different approach. The goal is to structure the transaction around principles such as avoiding riba or interest while connecting the financing to a real asset or trade transaction. So, how does halal car financing actually work? One common structure is called murabaha. Instead of simply lending you money with interest, the financier purchases the vehicle and then sells it to you at an agreed total price, usually with payments spread over a fixed period. For example, if a car costs around $25,000, the financier may purchase it and sells it to you for an agreed price of $30,000 payable over several years. The important point is that the price and payment schedule are agreed upon as part of a sale transaction rather than an interest based loan. Another structure used in Islamic vehicle financing is ijara, which is similar to leasing. The financier purchases the vehicle and leases it to you for an agreed rental payment. Depending on the contract, ownership may eventually be transferred to you. It is important to understand that simply calling product Islamic or halal does not automatically make it Sharia compliant. You should look at the actual contract. A legitimate Islamic financing arrangement should address issues such as riba, excessive uncertainty, ownership, risk, and the nature of underlying transaction. Different providers may use different structures, and scholars can differ in their assessment of specific contracts. Before signing a halal car loan contract, you need to check these 5 things. First, understand exactly who owns the car and when ownership transfers. Second, check whether the total price, rent, fee, and payment schedule are clearly disclosed. Third, understand what happens if you make a late payment. Fourth, check whether the contract has been reviewed or approved by qualified Sharia scholars or a reputable Sharia advisory board. And fifth, compare the total cost, not just the monthly payment. A financing option can be structured as Sharia compliant and still be more expensive than other conventional options. Halal car financing can provide Muslims with an alternative to conventional interest based auto loans. But the key is to understand the actual contract, not just the label. If you are considering halal car financing, research the provider, read the agreement carefully, and consult a qualified Islamic finance scholar if you have questions about Sharia compliance. Hopefully, these basics will help you understand halal car loans in the USA. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more videos about halal finance, Islamic financing, and Muslim financial options in America. Inshallah, see you again in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.